Namaste, this is Ganesh, social teacher. Today we will learn 9th class social lesson number 4. The name of the lesson is Atmosphere. This is my third video regarding this lesson. Okay, this is part third. Okay, and we will continue from part second, that is part where we stopped. There onwards we are going to start here. Now in this video we deeply discuss about some pressure belts. The earth is moving. Now we are able to watch here. The earth is moving from west to east direction. That leads to form some pressures. Okay, then see what are the pressures are there. What is meant by pressure? First of all, it is a force of air exerted onto the surface of the earth. That is called as what? Pressure. Air pressure. This air is formed due to earth rotation. Then we go for one by one in deeper. Okay, now first of all, okay, that ITCZ we start with ITCZ, that equatorial region belt. That equatorial region belt, they are receiving more sunshine. That leads to form low pressure area. Okay, that is called as what? Intertropical convergence zone. Okay, we go with once reading on the equator. What happened on the equator? The high temperature heats up the atmosphere, and heat rises, creating lower pressure of the equator. This low pressure belt is called as ITCZ, Intertropical Convergence Zone. These things are happening due to the sunshine. Heavy sunshine is directly taking place on the equatorial region. So that is why wherever the high temperature is taking place, that leads to form low pressure. So I have prepared one more here. NIK words, NIK, new important keywords. Pressure means what better? Pressure means it is a force of air exerted onto the surface of the earth. That is pressure. Second one, industrial emissions. Industrial emissions means industrial wastages. Sluggish. One more, third word, sluggish. Sluggish means slowly. Sluggish means slowly. These are the your textual words. ITCZ, Intertropical Convergence Zone. Intolerably means tolerate means we can bear, but intolerably means we can't bear that one. Okay, and monsoon, the word has derived from Arabic language monsoon. Okay, leeward direction. One more, leeward means say opposite direction. Okay, relative humidity. Okay, these are the new important keywords I have collected here. And next some extra textual also is there. ET stands for extra textual. Humidity means what? Wherever the temperature plus water vapor is together existing in a place, that weather is called as what? Humidity. Okay, now next some hot winds are blowing in some areas. Yoma, YOMA. Woma, it is a warm wind force which is existing in Japan. Now one more, Kala Baisakhi also, it is a hot wind force which is blowing in north part of India. Okay, now we go for next. Now we able to see here. See, now we are understanding. You see here, this equatorial region is becoming reddish color. Why? Because of here sun, the opposite sun is there. Here sun is hitting here, so sun rays is directly hitting here. Due to heavy sunshine, this part is becoming heat, and that heated make some these molecules recharged. That recharged molecules, they are going to rise up. They are moving rise up. See now, so wherever there is no molecules, that automatically happen, what is that? low pressure. See, L they are giving. Once you observe here, see, due to sunshine, what happened? Due to sunshine, there is happening low pressure belt. Then these low pressures, they are filling. Whenever these low pressure belts are happening, automatically high pressure belts, they are coming and pouring plenty of water over the equatorial region. So that is why we could see in Amazon region, they get plenty of rain and sunshine. Both that rain and sunshine, both they are fetches for photosynthesis that leads to form evergreen forest. See, these things are happening here in this region. Okay, but now we go for next. Okay, we go for next. See, pressure belts. Now we have seen at the equator what happened. At the equator, the high temperature heats up the atmosphere and hot air rises, creating low pressure at the equator. This is called as what? This pressure is called as what? ITCZ. This pressure is called as what? This pressure is called as ITCZ. Stand. Okay, intertropical convergence zone. Okay. Now we go for next. Yeah, we see here winds. Winds are broadly divided into some categorized. What are they? Planetary winds, seasonal winds, local winds. Come on, winds. Total. Actually, what is meant by wind? Wind means the horizontal movement of the air. The horizontal movement of the air is called as what? Wind. How many type of winds are there? Planetary wind, seasonal wind, local wind. Come on, better. What is? Yeah. What are the? Why these are the? These names have come. First of all, focus. Planetary winds means these are the winds. These are the winds which are blowing entire the planet. So that is why the word has come for that winds. Planetary winds. Okay, seasonal winds means what, Nana? See, these are the seasonal. This is in India in the month of June, July, August. These months season. Which season? Monsoon seasons. See, these are the seasonal winds. Seasonally only they are occurring. And next to some local winds are also we have seen. See, before that extra textual I have given some Kala Baisakhi, hot wind breezes which are blowing in north part of India. See, that they are called as what? Local winds. Now come to here, planetary winds. They are planetary winds. First one we are going to focus on. First one, come on, make it fast. Planetary winds which are dividing into three parts. I repeat, winds are winds are blowing. Winds are broadly dividing into three categorized. One is planetary wind, second one is seasonal wind, third one is local wind. Now planetary wind again divided into three categorized. One is trade wind. See, trade wind. Second one is westerly wind. Third one is polar wind. Okay, we go for next. Now we are going to see the globe. Now, yeah. So this is globe. Okay. Now we could able to see here some. I make it some zoom. Okay. Equatorial low pressure area. Equatorial low pressure. I take pen even. I could, yeah. See here. Equatorial low pressure here. Where Nana? Here. First one blue color 0 degrees. This is what equator. So this one is what, Nana? Equatorial low pressure. Now next one is see, this low pressure is getting water from where? See, northeast trade winds. These are what? Northeast trade winds. How, sir? Why this name has come? Because of these winds, they are blowing from where? Northeast side. This is what here N stands for northeast. See here, northeast direction. They are blowing from here to here, this direction. This is called as what? Northeast trade winds. And next is the southern part we see here, southeast trade winds. What is this, Nana? Southeast. This is what south. Next east, southeast direction. They are blowing southeast direction. Okay, these are the major high pressure belts. See, this belt called as what? Subtropical high pressures. These are the subtropical high pressure belts. Okay, these are the subtropical high pressure belts. First, what we have to understand here. First, low pressure. Next one, subtropical high pressure belts are there. That is northern hemisphere one is there. Southern hemisphere also one pressure belt is there. Okay, now we go for next. Now, on which basis these winds are blowing? On which basis these winds are blowing? First of all, we focus on which we learn this, and we go with wind up this video because of the time is okay. We have to keep our time sense also. Okay, here wind blows on the principles of earth rotation. Okay, earth rotation is also one of the cause. Next, pressure, Coriolis effect. These are the three principles. Why these winds are blowing? Because of three principles are working. One is earth rotation, and the second one is Coriolis effect. Who is Coriolis? Name of the geographer. He only invented this theory, Coriolis effect. What is meant by Coriolis effect? Now let us focus here. Now see here, I take pen here. Coriolis, what he told, on the, you take, this is a globe. Okay, what he told, Coriolis, name of the geographer, he told that the winds, they are blowing on the globe from, you see, from clockwise direction, in which, what is this, in the northern hemisphere. I repeat, according to Coriolis theory, the winds, they are blowing in northern hemisphere is clockwise direction, and he told that, see here, and he told that the winds, they are blowing in southern hemisphere is anti-clockwise direction. This is also one of the cause for happening of winds. Okay, now we go for the reading. Now I read from the beginning. Winds blowing on basis of, first one is earth rotation. Second one, see, some pressure belts are happening. Due to pressure belts also the winds are blowing. And third one is Coriolis effect. Name of the person, he is a great geographer. He told that according to Coriolis, winds, they are blowing in northern hemisphere in clockwise direction, and that winds, they are blowing in southern hemisphere as anti-clockwise direction. So these are the major principles for happening of blowing of the winds. Okay, Nana, these are the things that you have to understand. Okay, and next, okay, I am going to wind up this video, and we will go with another video. Thank you one and all.